Neuropathy affects nearly 25 million Americans. It can be debilitating, but there's also a solution. It helps people get their lives back. And this next segment is sponsored by Health From Within. Joining me this afternoon is a clinic director from Health From Within. We have Dr. Nick Barnes. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And this is such an important topic because you guys, treatment really does help so many people, really starting with optimizing your body from the inside out. What does that look like?
That's right. So, I mean, focus on four things is really getting the body's environment the best chance to heal, is giving it the blood flow it needs, the nerve regeneration, and most importantly is reducing the pain so people can live their life.
So you mentioned that blood flow. I mean, how important is it to make sure we are getting enough blood to all of the nerves running through our system?
Right, so if we don't have blood flow, then our nerves can't heal, and we really can't function and do the simple things like walking, standing, breathing even. So we gotta get that oxygen up into the body.
Okay, we definitely want more oxygen running through our entire body. And then we kind of mentioned getting blood flow to the nerves. What if those nerves are damaged? Then what?
That's the issue. Then there's going to be a ton of pain that comes with that, whether it's numbness, tingling, inability to walk, sleep. And so if there's not blood flow getting to the nerves, then they'll actually get starved. And the problem is nerves can't heal that way. So in order for the nerves to heal and reverse things like neuropathy, blood flow needs to be there.
So channeling that inner healing power.
That's exactly right.
And then you guys also say it's about decreasing brain-based pain. What does that mean?
Exactly. So what we find is that when people are struggling with neuropathy, the body has this memory system to where once the pain starts, it's progressive in nature. And so our goal is to break that cycle and re-educate the body to say, you don't have to be in pain and live with that for the rest of your life.
I like that. We're definitely retraining our brain, rewiring our brain, but it really is a collective effort from all of those four things that we just talked about. Now, you guys' exclusive treatment really does do all of those things, but you guys do it without drugs, without surgery. It's non-invasive. How important is that to you guys at Health From Within?
Yeah, well, what we see in our society and our culture is that really we're being given more meds, more surgeries, and showing up to the hospital all the time in pain. And so our goal is to stay out of the medical model, reduce and or remove the medication, and so people can live their God-given potential.
Oh, I love that. Now, if people are at home, they're watching, they might be experiencing pain, and they're like, wait, could I possibly have neuropathy? A lot of undiagnosed pain. Is typically neuropathy. What is it like when someone comes in for a consultation or an appointment with you guys?
Exactly. So the biggest thing we don't want to do is we don't want to guess at what someone has. So we're going to do a detailed examination about testing to see how much nerve sensory loss there is, what's the blood flow look like, and how can we actually help that person heal.
I like that. And speaking of helping that person heal, what are some of those symptoms of neuropathy that people could be experiencing?
Yeah, so like restless leg syndrome when they can't sleep at night, or they can't feel warmth or cold, or they can't feel their shoes. They have a hard time standing up straight or having that endurance to walk.
Well, St. Louis, these are all telltale signs that you might be experiencing neuropathy. And if you've been in pain, you don't know where the pain is coming from, what to do about it, Health From Within is here to help you. They're going to do an incredible consultation, a complimentary consultation for you. So there's no guessing to whether or not you have neuropathy. They're going to confirm and then get you the solution that you need. They're also doing a nerve test as well. So that free complimentary consultation and nerve test will save you $250. And all you have to do is pick up the phone, give them a call. It's 314-323-7214. It's Health From Within, and we want you to save some money. You can head online to their website at healthfromwithinstl.com, and you can also give them a follow on Facebook and on Instagram. Both of those handles are right there on your screen, and don't forget you can pick up the phone and simply give them a call at 314-323-7214.